the free health insurance is fantastic. Yeah.
I will say, like, when they told us about it at profit sharing, like, I got chills throughout my whole body. Like, it's incredible. You really don't hear of that anymore.
It's nice. And it also goes to show you that, like, the Lee company really cares about everyone that works here. I mean, free health insurance is kind of insane. I don't know, like, any other company that has completely free health insurance and great coverage. I mean, I don't have a family yet, but it's not a bad place to work. You do.
I'm very happy I work somewhere else because I don't know if I would have appreciated the free health insurance and the profit sharing had I not. It's an incredible benefit. I think it's something that cannot be ignored, that you can, and it's not just that it's free, it is top of the line health insurance. I never have to pay more than a copay. It has just been a true lifesaver.
A perfect example, last year I was at a track day with a couple of my friends and I cut my leg open, not super bad, but I needed 8 stitches. And my out-of-pocket costs, including the prescription for antibiotics, was like $50. And that could have been, hugely expensive. Going to urgent care and paying for a prescription, it's hard to put a value on that.